Olá meu povo, tudo beleza com vocês? Comigo tudo bem, me chamo Roberto, seja bem-vindo a mais um vídeo do canal. Hoje eu tô aqui por Buenos Aires, gravando aqui algumas praças principais aqui do centro de Buenos Aires. Tem muitas coisas por aqui que eu vou gravar para vocês, vocês vão gostar, espero que vocês gostem dessa nova modalidade do canal. Tá fazendo um frio danado por aqui, não esqueça de se inscrever no canal e sentar o dedo no like, ok? Um abraço aqui para todos os inscritos do canal. E eu tinha falado que eu ia mostrar um vídeo diferenciado esse mês de julho aqui no canal. E aí estou apresentando para vocês algumas praças aqui de Buenos Aires. Espero que vocês gostem dessa modalidade nova do vídeo, do canal, né? E do vídeo também. Porque haja visto aqui no canal aqui vocês encontram aqui muitas coisas de eletrônica. As minhas viagens que eu faço aí pelas roças, conversando com o povo da roça aí, das fazendas, vaqueiro, mostrando as paisagens para vocês, imagens de drone e essa nova modalidade aqui, conhecendo um pouco aqui a Argentina, que é aqui pertinho do Brasil, beleza? É isso aí, continue assistindo o vídeo e se gostar dessa modalidade, deixa aí nos comentários se gostou, se não gostou, se gostou das imagens. Tem muitas imagens bonitas para mostrar para vocês aí, ok? Muitas coisas, olha que coisa bonita aí. E o doguinho, olha, aí é a reunião do conselho, viu? Diretoria toda aí, gerência, tudo na hora do almoço descansando, barbaridade, são os dogs, velho. E é isso aí, meu povo, continue assistindo o vídeo. Vamos dar essa garimpada aí, como eu falo, né? Vamos passear por aí, vou mostrando para vocês aí, valeu? Daqui a pouco eu retorno, continue.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, but I said goodbye. out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. 18 in the summer, man, it feels like yesterday, when she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
Talk to me. Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Talk to me. Can't get your tongue when we're gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need? Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, you think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company. It's up to me. Baby, won't you I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. So talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the